Okay, welcome back to Jordan Richard's YouTube channel. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but I have finally got a microphone. So yeah, I got the wind protection on it at the moment, so hopefully you won't hear any wind. I'm hoping you can hear me as well. I've never done a talking video on a bike before. Anyway, we're off to go and get it, well, going to review it today. I'm going to do a quick video on it. Just going to go out, we're pretty early. Well, not that early really, it's coming up to 11 o'clock. So yeah, I'm on a Honda CBR 600F. And yeah, we're just going to go over to like Mara's Iron Way to just do a quick video of the Honda, just to show you guys what it looks like, because I haven't done a review, but I had done a few riding videos on it. And then we'll go somewhere else, probably just head over and see if anybody's at any meets or whatever. Yeah, just go for a cruise around and yeah, have a look really. Like I said, I don't know how the audio is going to go on this, but we'll have a look in a minute. Yeah, I want to do a review on it and then we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this is a beast of a bike, I love it to pieces. But yeah, we'll go have a little play around today, have a little go on the roads. But today's the best day anyway, so yeah, we will have a look later and see where we're going to go. I'm not sure yet. I've still got the Triumph, that's up for sale, that is, so that'll be going soon hopefully. I had a fair bit done to it really since I had it, and yeah, whoever has it, it's going to be a good bike to them. I just had 12 months MOT done on it, so yeah, I had the what did I have done? I had brakes, brake pads front and back, and then I had the back brake caliper all done on it. So yeah, that was that. I had new back tyre, Continental all-round tyre, 190s, about 190 on the back. Yeah, so that's on that. Brake fluid all got changed on it. Yeah, quite a few bits got done on it. It's a GP exhaust on it, I think it is. Pay like 200 odd quid for that. But yeah, so it's had a few bits done to it. I've got the another exhaust for it, what I had with the bike, but yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I'm hoping this video comes out alright, because this is the first time trying this microphone out, and it is pretty windy today, so I don't know how well it's going to show, or if it's going to show any pretty bad wind noise. I have got a mic on, the little furry things to stop it. Yeah, we just have to see later, but I'm sure it should be alright. I'll watch it back when I get to a place in a minute, see if it came out alright, but I won't know until I actually look on the computer and edit it up. So yeah, nice to be back out. I haven't been on a bike all week, so nice to have a little ride around again. I do like motorbikes, so yeah, this one lasts me a while. So but yeah, hopefully next year will be a bit better. well, I do want to go around and try some different bikes around. So yeah, do want to tour around a little bit next year. I've got the right bike for it. Yeah, should be alright, hopefully. Better open the visor up a little bit. But yeah, hopefully we should be alright. Don't need any petrol. We filled up the other day. The range tank I looked at is 170 miles. Well, I think it's 170 or 180 miles a tank, so it's not too bad really, considering what bike she is. And obviously, the more you go for it, she'll be thirstier, but she seems alright. So I'll do a review on it. It's looking pretty. It's just overcast today, isn't too bad of a day really. Spend a bit of time on it, a couple hours, tour around. Yeah, should be good. Should be good. Yeah, just convoy over to Mara's Iron. And then we'll do this review. Yeah. Nice bike there going across. Yeah, it's a bit windy day. Nice Lamborghini there. What a beast. Yeah, hopefully this is better now, instead of just riding around and not saying anything. So yeah, like I say, might be put away soon for winter, end of this month, so I don't know what sort of videos will be coming out. It's a bit gutted really, but it's what it is. It's that time of the year already. The old bikes will be going away. People be fed up because they can't go out because it's too wet. So yeah, it's a bit shit really. Never mind. Yeah, we'll find a quiet place to do this video. Then I am going to get something to eat. And